Welcome to the Creativity and Hues of Red collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of fabulous cutting and colouring techniques, featuring reds with pointers on colour placement and palette, sectioning, perimeter and internal shapes, and the integration of colour with cut. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Christiano Lanza demonstrates a technique incorporating 3 levels of colour, with a panel through the sides inspired by the eyebrow line. Christiano provides information and tips on colour placement and palette, achieving even saturation and working with accurate methodology. Tim Hartley shows how cut and colour work together in Lesson 2 as he demonstrates an 80s-inspired bob variation, focusing on a rounded back and a clean, open fringe area to frame the brow and eyes. Tim uses techniques such as the positioning of curved graduation, over-direction and fringe placement, and provides hints on suitability. In Lesson 3, Tracy Hayes demonstrates an asymmetrical section across the front of the head, framing the face and juxtaposing a deep red-violet tone that is then applied in the back area. Tim Hartley completes the look in Lesson 4 as he demonstrates a curved A-line shape to promote structure in the perimeter and side areas. He then removes weight from the internal shape throughout the top area, allowing for more movement whilst maintaining strength in the outline. For Lesson 5, Charmaine Piche produces a dark-on-dark two-tone colour to complement and enhance the balance and shape of the 5-point haircut in the next tutorial. Finally, Stacey Broughton demonstrates his own interpretation of the 5-point haircut as a tribute to the iconic Vidal Sassoon. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Creativity in Hues of Red collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Creativity in Hues of Red collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.